And special thanks to our friends at Maxgroom who were nice enough to send us this body hair groomer designed for men grooming, fast and efficient. It's IPX7 waterproof, ceramic blade with an LED light, nothing on the top or the bottom, just their Maxgroom logo with body hair groomer on the side, and the same over here. The back has their sticker, Max Hair Body Hair Shaver, and then just a few details about it. The body hair groomer is the model RFCD-9087. It has a 600 milliamp hour battery and the weight and all that stuff. So let's open this up, see what we're working with here. And so inside of here is, oh, very nice. Wow. Whole little carrying case. Maxgroom carrying case. I like it. Nothing else in the box. And so inside of this nice zipped up case is the groomer. So we have a little cleaning brush, a whole nice guide to tell you all about it. Then a few trimmer guards. You have the 3.0 millimeter and the 6.0 millimeter. You have an included USB-C cable so you can charge this up. And of course, the actual groomer. That's it for this. This is a look at the groomer here. You can see here's your LED light, your power button, your USB-C port to charge it, and it does have a nice design to it. I really like that. These, of course, just slide right on, and technically you can bring it all the way down or push it up one if you need a little bit of extra length there. But then you just your power button and it's on. So to turn it back off, very nice and easy. 600 milliamp hour battery. I like it. I'm gonna actually use this to shave my face and show you what it looks like being used right here. All right, so we have our Maxgroom all charged up now and powered on, nice and easy. And then I can easily just shave. Smooth as butter, I like it. The light actually helps as well. Now you can see my shaved side versus my non-shaved side, and some nice fine hairs still on this, but of course, being waterproof, you can just rinse it right off. Now you're ready to keep shaving. That'll do it. Thanks again to our friends over at Maxgroom who were nice enough to send us this men's shaver. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.